Think the law of attraction is the key to success. Think again. If you've seen The Secret or studied the law of attraction, you probably learned that your thoughts become things. But there's a deeper truth behind that idea, something even more foundational than attraction. It's called the law of vibration, and it's the real engine behind manifestation. Everything in the universe is made of energy, and that energy is always vibrating. That includes you, your thoughts, your emotions, your beliefs. They're all energy, and they all vibrate at different frequencies. The law of vibration says you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are vibrating. So if you say you want wealth but you're constantly feeling fear, doubt, or scarcity, that's the vibration you're actually sending out. And that's what the universe responds to. The law of attraction is real, but it's only the second step. First comes vibration, then comes attraction. So how do you shift your vibration? Let's break it down. First, become aware of how you're feeling right now. Your emotional state reveals your frequency. Next, use tools like breathwork, meditation, and visualization to tune yourself to higher states, like gratitude, joy, and certainty. And most importantly, feel now how you would feel if you already had what you desire. This is how you broadcast a new vibration, and that's how you shift your reality. So remember this, you don't get what you want, you get what you are vibrating. Ready to align your energy with the life you want? Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video in this series. We're going deeper into the real science of manifestation.